Do you guys want to know how you can earn $30 by doing minimal tasks in under a minute and using only your smartphone? If your answer is yes, then you've clicked on the right video. If you do today's strategy once, then you can earn $30. If you do this 10 times, then you can make $300. And if you do it 100 times, then you can get paid $3,000. There are no limits to today's method whatsoever, which means you can do this 100 times over and make thousands and thousands of dollars. We're going to be showing you 3 brand new websites that's going to be making us our $3,000 consistently. The payment process is super quick and easy. You can choose how and when you want to be paid out, and they're going to pay you out just like that. Today's method is 100% free because that's what's important to us, and it's also worldwide available, so no matter where you're from, you can join in on today's method and make $3,000 just like we promised you. Don't worry if you're a complete beginner because our method for today is very much beginner friendly, so no skills or prior experience will be required of you just to be able to do today's method. We're going to be walking you through today's whole process step by step so that you guys won't get lost or anything like that. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. The first website that we're going to be sharing with you guys today is called PicoWorkers.com. As you can see, small gigs, big results. We're going to be the freelancers here, and what we're going to do as freelancers would be to take surveys, write honest reviews, and test apps and write articles as well. Pico Workers is an online marketplace that connects freelancers around the world with business owners. Businesses who need other people to help them support their work come to Pico Workers. Here they can hire workers for easy and quick jobs. We accept payment in cryptocurrency and pay out in crypto as well. This is how small gigs work. You select jobs you like, complete these tasks, explore required tasks, and send required proofs. Then you're going to deliver the work and then you get paid. So this is how small gigs are great work. They are easy to do and require little time to finish. There are jobs like taking surveys, categorizing images, helping promote content, and a lot more. Get credited immediately after the task is reviewed, and you won't even have to wait a month or even more just to get paid out. Right here, you're going to see a payment proof of somebody who's already made money using PicoWorkers.com. You can even become an affiliate. You post your affiliate link on blogs, websites, forums, social media, or write a Pico Workers review. So when you refer new clients or freelancers and earn commission for each referral, you're going to earn 5% from every referral. And now that we've gone through the website, you're going to have to sign up for a free account to start making money. To do so, just click on this sign up button on the upper right, and that should take you to here. And then just fill up all of the details being asked, and just like that, you have yourself an account and you can finally start working and making money. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Our next website is called Earnably.com. As you can read on here, Digital rewards and gift cards made easy. Earn instant rewards by completing tasks, watching videos, and taking surveys. It's that easy. Complete offers, get rewards. We reward our members with instant cash and free gift cards for completing simple tasks, watching videos, and answering surveys. Then you're going to see their point system and how much you can actually make right here as proof. Easy instant rewards. You redeem your points for instant cash rewards or free gift cards from your favorite brands and retailers. There's something for everyone. We have cash payments, gift cards, wallet codes, and a lot more. There's PayPal, Amazon, Domino's, Dunkin' Donuts, Facebook, Best Buy, Xbox, and a whole lot more. You can also get referrals and get paid. Invite friends, earn more. Share your unique referral link with your friends, family, and followers. You will earn 10% of their earnings for life. Over here, we have some testimonials and proof that people are really earning and have already earned real money by using Earnably. There's about 900 reviews on Trustpilot, which means that a lot of people are using this website, and for sure, it's helping them a lot as well. Now you're gonna have to sign up, and to do so, just click on sign up, and then when you do, you're gonna be brought to this page right here, and then you're gonna proceed to fill up all of the details being asked. So they're gonna need your email address, your username, your password, your mobile number, and then you should agree to the terms and conditions. And once that's all completed, you can hit on sign up, and just like that, you have yourself an account and you can finally start earning. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Our last website is called streetbees.com, and this is how their website should look like. If you read what's on here, it says, become a bee. Got a spare few minutes? Fancy StreetBees app and become a bee today. We're buzzing to have you. Now, what is StreetBees? StreetBees mobile app allows brands to truly understand the consumer by using the stories, photos, and videos you share with us. We provide brands with live insight into how you think about and use their products. How StreetBees works is that first you have to download the app, then create an account, and then get paid. Basically, you're going to be sending random photos to this website, and for that, you're going to get paid. Isn't that great? You don't even have to worry about this website being sketchy, because first of all, we want to introduce you guys to sketchy and not trusted websites. Second of all, this website has partnered up with some pretty big names already as well. We have Unilever, PepsiCo, Mars, Sony, Danone, and a lot more, which just reassures us that you can trust this website and that it is safe, so don't even worry about it. So make sure you visit all three of the websites that we shared with you today, Pico Workers, Earnably, and StreetBees, and you're going to be earning that $3,000 in no time. You'd be surprised. And that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.